I'm going to show you the amazing results that you can achieve with the Dyson Airstrait. This is my favorite product. I just love it. It's simple, one piece, and it does so many versatile things. It comes with this amazing machine. We'll go over the buttons here, and a mat that you can put it down to operate. It is intuitive, so it turns itself off after a few seconds of use. But the reason that I bought this machine was because it dries your hair without heat. My hair is just recently being washed and ready for drying. I'm going to show you how it works. It uses forced airflow out of these vents here on the machine, and it will dry your hair perfectly, beautifully, straight in the direction that you want it, and it is amazing. It uses forced air instead of heat plates. You see, there's no heat plates in there. It is just air, but it's forced in a way that it is targeted and it produces beautiful results. The pre-treatment product, it can be used on wet or dry, which is like a straightener and a hair dryer in one. Those first few seconds is a cleaning cycle. You can see here it has wet, dry, and degrees of temperature that you can choose from. And it will tell you which to do for wet and dry. So we're gonna pick wet and do a little section at a time. You simply clamp it on the hair and you point it away from your head. You can see the air moving the hair. I like to twist and bend as I go. And you can also use it as a rough dryer first to take the moisture out so you can be faster. Look at that. That is just with the first few passes, and it is already very beautiful. You could wear it just like that. But we're going to go around my head and show you the difference at the end. In connecting the last few pieces here, you can see how straight and polished it's looking. One of the best features about the Airstrait is it gives your hair such a terrific shine. Look how beautiful and straight that is. So beautiful and such a nice shine. I love my Dyson Airstrait, and when it is dry, like the next day, and you just need to style it, it works as a beautiful straightener. It also just revitalizes, gives it a little volume, and it brings it back to life, making it less times that you have to dry it from scratch. It is an amazing tool. I cannot say enough about how much I love my Dyson Airstrait.